यहाँ पे आज हाय फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रिंग मैनिपुलेशन। ओके, सो मैंने स्ट्रिंग क्रिएशन का एक फर्स्ट यहाँ पे किया है, उसको मैं प्रायोरिटी देता हूँ। ओके, उसको हम प्रायोरिटी देते हैं फर्स्ट। सो मैं यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है इसको। ओके, स्ट्रिंग क्रिएशन। ओके, सेकंड में यहाँ पे क्रिएट करता हूँ स्ट्रिंग लेंथ। ओके, तो स्ट्रिंग लेंथ मेथड मैंने क्रिएट की और यहाँ पे हम एक स्ट्रिंग लेते रैंडम और यहाँ पे पब्लिक और स्ट्रिंग str equal to suppose automation. Okay, so we want to print the length of the string. Okay, so मैंने यहाँ पे लेंथ मेथड यूज़ की, स्ट्रिंग डॉट लेंथ। ओके, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे मैंने एट द रेट टेस्ट किया तो हमें वी वांट टू डोंट नीड टू राइट द मेन मेथड। ओके, so description for that is string length method. Okay, so if you execute this method, then we want to print the length of the string. Third is concatenation. Okay, concatenation it means like string A string B. Okay, and if we want to attach the A and B, then we want to use the concat method. Okay, so here we write the one, we want to create the one method that is concatenation. Okay, then, so here we write string yes and t. If yes dot concat t, then 40 is print. Concatenation pass. Okay, automation Java. Okay, concatenation मेथड क्या करती है, बेसिकली यूज अटैच करने के लिए टू स्ट्रिंग। ओके, यहाँ पे हम इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन लेते हैं concatenation. ओके, concatenation, it means if you want to attach two methods, then we use concatenation methods. Basically it is a method of string. Okay, basically it is a method of string. Okay, concatenation. Okay, it is one of the manipulation. String is immutable basically, and each string will run string are performs when modifying the string. Okay. Next is character access. We can print here like uh, this way also. Automation Java, automation Java. Okay. If we attach this, then we can concatenate. Okay. Next is character access. Character access. Here we want to create one method, character access, and here we write at the test annotation. Here we write the public, and character access we want to access the character. Okay, suppose we write uh, testing. Okay, string str equal to testing, and str caret method we can use character access. If we want to zero second index character, then this is a character access method. Okay, you can use caret method. Okay, second yes is okay, so yes is printed here. Substring method we want to create. Okay, here we write one at the rate annotation, and here we write public instead of private. Okay, substring. If you like two like one string is and substring, like suppose we the string is suppose automation testing, and substring method is like displaying like if string is it is in the part of the main string. Okay, str dot substring. Suppose 8. Okay, and we will write the so from 8th index it will print the substring. on testing. Okay, on testing 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Substring is, for example, second example is suppose second example is suppose this selenium. Okay, and system out of selenium. So 0 1 2 3, 0 is index, okay, where substring is started, 0. Okay, and fourth is a length index where substring is stopped. So here if we execute this program, execute this method, then we get the selenium. Okay, sele, sele. So it is also a substring method of string. Okay, next is string comparison. String comparison, equal to and equals. Okay, total we want to see 12. Okay, 12 manipulation. Right now 6 is started. So next is string comparison. Suppose two strings are there, string s1 and string s2. Then we want to, if we want to compare, then we can use this logic. Okay, if we want to um, compare these two string, then we use the like s1 equals, okay, equals s2. Okay, second is s1 dot equal ignore case. Okay, s2. If we execute this method, then if s1 equal to s2 is there, then it will print true. If it is not, then it will print false. If character if we want to like ignore case, okay, then we can use the s1 equal dot equals ignore case. Okay, so it will execute and it will print false, true. So here second is true, first is false, because first when equals method, when it is what do you say, equals method when you use, it will compare the two, it will compare the two object. Okay, content of the two objects, content of the two objects. And when we will use this method ignore case, it will compare string it to another string, ignoring the case consideration. Okay, here you can see here. Okay, compare the string to another string, ignoring the case consideration. whether it is uppercase or lowercase. Okay, this is the our seventh sixth method. Okay, next is contains. What contains method do? Contains method, it will like it will search the search word or characters, okay, in this main string. Suppose for example automation testing is string, and if you want to search testing word in this string or not, then it will execute. Then we can use the contain method. Okay, total then 1, error 0, skip 0. Okay, it means it is pass. Okay, contains. Okay, true, it will return true. This is seventh. Okay, sorry, this is seventh method. Next, replace. Okay, if you want to replace the some characters in the string, then we use this replace. Okay, so if you want to replace manual with automation, then if you want to replace manual word with automation, then this method is very good for replacement. Okay, if you execute this method, then I love automation testing is printed. Next is trim. Okay, remove the spaces, extra spaces. This is the ninth method, trim method. Remove the extra spaces in the string. So it is very useful method. Okay. For example, string is str equal to pivot tester. So pivot tester trim pivot tester. Okay. So it will print remove the spaces, extra spaces. Okay. So this is ninth method, tenth method. Okay. Remove. Tenth method is convert. Okay. Convert case. Suppose for example uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase, convert case. That is the tenth manipulation method. Here we can see I give the annotation at the test, and here I write the public as access modifier, and here I write the description as convert case. Okay. And here we write convert case. For example, string, any string we can write here, and we can convert that string into uppercase and lowercase. That is the tenth manipulation method. If you write the string Selenium and we use the uppercase and lowercase method of string, then we can convert the string into this uppercase, we can convert the string into lowercase. So yeah, convert case stays pass. Here we print. Okay. Yes, y, yes, o, yes, y, yes, o. String uppercase equal to string lowercase. If we print here, then it will print the string in uppercase, string in lowercase. Here you can check Selenium and Selenium. Okay. Okay, this is the 10th case, and after that split string and reverse string is there. Two cases are remaining. Then we can, here we can write split string method we can create here, and we can write at the rate, mention at the rate test annotation for execution, and here we can write public. Here we write like a string str equal to Java Selenium test engine, and here write string array equal to str dot split. So we can part partitioning, we can split it in the string. Okay, so we can split the string, given string, with the comma. If we write here, we can run this test, then it will execute and it will pass. Okay, you can see here. So str equal to, so yes is printed with Java Selenium test engine. Java Selenium test engine. Three string are here. You can see with partitioning commas. String is part splitting in with comma, and ARR string is like here. Uh, Pass. Okay. Yes. After that, next is string, reverse string. Okay, reverse string is remaining. So this is a 12th manipulation. So we can see this also, reverse string. Okay. So reverse string, we can write here reverse string also, and we can just create one method, that is reverse string. Okay, here we can write public, and here we can write at the red test. So here we can execute this reverse string program, then it will pass, and reverse equal to reverse plus str dot caret I. If we print here reverse, then it will print. AQ. Okay, reverse string is pass. AQ what? Okay, yeah, QA is reverse is QA AQ. Okay, so it is pass. Here we can write description as reverse string. Though, so today we have discussed these 12th manipulation of the string. In next video we can see programs on the string. Okay, so stay positive, stay curious, take care, bye bye.